Have you ever noticed the number 1111 appearing frequently and wondered if it holds any special meaning? If so, you're not alone. Many people believe that 1111 is a spiritual sign from the universe, affirming that you are on the right path in your spiritual journey. In this video, I'll share some incredible stories of how 1111 has transformed lives and how you can harness its power to manifest your dreams. Stay tuned until the end for a special message you won't want to miss. What is 1111? 1111 is more than just a number, it's a spiritual code. In numerology, it's considered a master number, signifying a high vibration and a powerful influence on your destiny. When 1111 appears, it's a wake-up call from the universe, encouraging you to be more aware and grateful for the blessings in your life. It's also an invitation to elevate your vibration and align with your true spiritual potential. This number sequence symbolizes the unity of all things, reminding us of our interconnectedness and our role as co-creators of our reality. Seeing 1111 suggests that you are in sync with the flow of life, and your thoughts and actions are aligned with your soul's purpose. How to recognize 1111 as a sign? How do you know if 1111 is a sign meant for you? How can you recognize the miracles and magic this number brings? Here are some tips to help you. 1. Trust your intuition. Pay attention to gut feelings or hunches. These may be the universe's way of communicating with you. Don't ignore them. 2. Stay open-minded and curious. Avoid dismissing things as mere coincidences. Look for the messages and lessons in everything that happens to you. You might be surprised at what you discover. 3. Be ready to receive. Sometimes, the universe presents you with gifts or opportunities that seem too good to be true. Accept them with gratitude and joy. They may be the answers to your prayers. Examples of how 1111 changed lives. Here are some stories of how 1111 has made a difference in people's lives. 1. The unexpected meeting. A woman noticed the time was 1111 while at a coffee shop. She looked up and met the eyes of a man who smiled at her. They started talking and instantly connected. He turned out to be her soulmate, and they are now happily married. 2. The serendipitous find. A man was browsing a library and randomly picked up a book, which opened to page 111. The quote he read was exactly what he needed at that moment, inspiring him to pursue his passion and start his own charity. 3. The guiding billboard. A girl, feeling lost about her career, saw a billboard with an address ending in 1111. It advertised a job fair with the perfect opportunity for her. She applied and found the best career move she ever made. 4. The soulmate encounter. Seeing 1111 can also indicate the presence or arrival of a soulmate or twin flame, someone who will help you grow spiritually. Setting intentions. When 1111 appears in your life, it's an ideal time to focus on your intentions. Wish, dream, and send your deepest desires into the universe with confidence that they will be fulfilled. If you're seeking guidance on your life's journey and see 1111, consider it a spiritual confirmation that you are on the right track. For those intrigued by the mystical aspects of numbers, the study of numerology and angel numbers offers a fascinating exploration of the spiritual dimensions of life. I'm eager to hear about your experiences with 1111. Have you encountered this spiritual number? What significance has it had for you? Please share your stories in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. 1111 keeps appearing to you. What's the universe telling you?